How's it hanging, everybody? It's about 18 minutes after 8 p.m. here. I want to start by saying I apologize to everybody out there who was expecting Movie Madness to air tonight on my channel. Me and Arknoy was supposed to take a look at all the movies involving Star Trek, but sadly, when I got home from my afternoon jaunt, the Wi-Fi was out of commission. It was not working, so I had to pull a few punches here. Had to restart my computer as well to get the Wi-Fi going once again. I tried calling Ark about 4 times already, but unfortunately he never picked up. So I hope he's doing alright. Most likely we'll probably have to postpone it until next Thursday, most likely. So I'll have to wait and see till then. But in the meantime, I saw this article yesterday. It was originally DM'd to me by a friend on Facebook. I'm going to read you right now. This is from newsbreak.com. And it basically gives one of the good reasons why you got to be very, very extra careful when pranking somebody to get viewers and subscribers. Now, I spoke about this issue a couple weeks back involving these breakup pranks that sometimes boyfriends and girlfriends do on their significant other. Let me give you the details of what just happened here. A Virginia man was arrested after he allegedly pulled out a gun and shot a YouTuber named Tanner Cook, who was pranking people inside of a shopping mall. Now, this happened around noon on the 2nd of April. Officers responded to Dawes Town Center Mall in Sterling about a shooting taking place. Deputies arrived within minutes and found the suspect, 31-year-old Alan Colley, and arrested him. The victim was identified as 21-year-old Tanner Cook, who has a YouTube channel under the name Classified Goons. He was transported to a local hospital for treatment. He had a gunshot wound to his abdomen area there, shot near the tummy. And apparently what it was is that he was pranking this particular individual, Cook was, and Kali didn't take that prank too well. And as a result, got upset and shot Cook near the stomach area. Now, the two did not know each other prior to this shooting taking place. And despite this happening, Cook did state that he will not stop making videos, despite this happening. Now, the incident was caught on video by Cook's friend, and right now, that footage is being held over by the police department as evidence. Now, Kali was charged with malicious wounding, use of a firearm, in commission of a felony, and discharging a firearm within a building. Remember, this was in a shopping mall where moms, dads, little children go to eat, go shopping, go inside the toy stores, the Hot Topics. Somebody else could have felt that bullet. You never know. Now, Cook is expected, according to his family, to pull through and recover. Now, the mall itself was shut down for the rest of the day, but reopened the following day, April 3rd, according to officials. Now, a story like this sets an example of why I mentioned a couple weeks back about being very careful of what kind of prank you try to pull on someone. You never know how that individual is going to react. Not everybody's going to be like, oh, ha ha, that was a funny prank that you did on me. I'll take it and let it go there. Doesn't always work like that. Some people will respond to a prank very violently. Whether it's physically or verbally, they're going to take action. And in this case, it almost took a man's life. Now, I said this in regarding to the breakup pranks that I've seen lovers do to their significant others. I made a video about that discussion a couple weeks back there. You got to keep in mind that you're taking a big risk when you do these kind of prank videos. Because as I stated, you never know how that individual is going to respond. And like I stated earlier, not anybody's going to really respond with a ha ha, he, that was kind of funny. They're going to get upset. Now, I'm hoping that Mr. Cook recovers and will continue his YouTube ventures. But after this, it is best that he be very, very careful about his next prank video, especially after this. So I want to send out my support to Tanner Cook. Hope he recovers as well. So, what are your thoughts on this mess here? Let me know in the comments section below what you thought about this. In the meantime, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and notification bell, and hope you're doing okay, Arky. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.